Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM no way.
Mahama. Na chese, ye papa nanado ni napko numu. Ya mama 700 Ghana, the 500 atu. Ena minya 10,000 bi koto fridge bi be ye. Startup you start na nanado de buy. Na because you say ye ice cake commercial quantity any ice cream. It me MPP de menyo mo so fa so pa. Me ye me business kakra. Mahama edundum king of darkness Nebuchadnezzar.
Oh.
Gonja mafia.
Oh.
Kwame Basashi adie.
Oh.
Ono gina si ha ya BJ. Obeto aso mame. E no de ni sako so.
Sakawa.
Bole bamboy sakawa. Yahoo for president 419. Aji aboso, aji egu, aji asem.
Oh.
Oni brefu Mahama eba ya. Was say this electricity and nyina. Fellas, me ti okra malaria kra cheme. E se me call hospital.
One way
Because me ti na dem,
information now with the Sunday no. After na me read the idea ni enkofo we omo di ewu. It is possible. Sir,
NDC no. So what dey true mu no. Omo di aba awom. Fellas, ti se me da bonti me di mo aba for am ntontom.
Oh.
Tuntum awe mi ama malaria cheme. Emra biti ye ga bi kika mumu nyimi ominyi ko ya. Se o shi unti no obeda no. Wa ba na dem no da ayi abra na so. Boy bi otu omu fie ho compound house.
Oh, what are so?
Wa rapiru akoto ahye ne so.
Oh.
Mahama nti ene ema ye repi cause light off. Uda mu kra na da ase na beda abonti.
Jesus Christ.
Mahama nya wo ye me say abayi wa no se 9 months time wo ye den be ko Jubilee House Mahama ba oba ko to do so. Adana Mahama wo ye sa. Adan. Enti Mahama say Ghana fo ahye wani onyam say na wo di ewu say. Ah? Sikisi akoba ntonso so wunya besia bi kra no abo enti kakra ne yeso mu na ne dida ada ye ho no so a wo ba ya wo sa be good say Ghana informal sector ne ye eso enti informal sector ne so sa no electricity no di agro Mahama obekuyan ti jai jimi ani bresam na wudi no wo de wo buy gold nkwa ne hia gold ne aeroplane enu pe ne hia wo ani insase sa ne ma miense na Mahama ehia wo na nipa ba akofo wo sesa akwa akodu sen wo sesa ne ma nwina akodi se adisa empaketu bi na ada so wo sesa akwa akodu se Mahama you go down as the worst president Ghana has ever had me catch you Munya finish 2028 January 7th 2029 January 7th we freeze on the 8th everybody will forget about you because we nipa boni ni we vidi ni
Papa your mama
Timo dey Mahama wo ya dia wo nwin da bi wo nwin Ghana ho wo hwe wachi krono Felix ba memra ayi ma me no why say dinosaur no ayi wana awusi no wo shali papa why you nsem tetre say ayi dinosaur wate nipa boni ni wo mere awusi ose wana wo papa sofi unya ne da wo chi anka mpe o da na chi anka wo mpe umua de wate Mahama na woni ne twimpe ni ntufu se we nya Mahama no wana
na wo ne
Mahama no ne ko tiri dan kola fonzo community dig we are the ko tiri obi a di the ko tiri dan we papa ntufu se nya bi special wood ntino wo Mary wusi mu obi a she abu chimi fo ba te se wo chaiba
on train Friday do be jam.
Many manu bebe sino. Yen ka ho kakra.
Yo.
Yen na Pentecost fo. And this for mo pema semu. Ye be ka mo pema sam. 2024. Ye papa nyame che. Enti mi antie nsia agro ni mu yie. E ma ne nsem bi okeka ye. And this for so oka bia ma mu nti no. E ma ne ma ye basa. Ye wa ne papa nyame che se wagege ayi signatures nti wo call parliament. Say yen sign LGBT. Oji Mahama di ye. Because Mahama ka che ne so be sign.
Yeah.
Na me won say ye papa nyameche wuji Muhammad because Muhammad the first time na wo hobi everybody witnessed Juma ye di asofufo atani pa And so kaya Pentecost actually omo mo boa Ghana man wo mu si prisons niema kese hospitals eni nyina Pentecost for ene free collection mu de yare papa enye me dia me ko Royal House Chapel dia me ko yosofo no ogija no de ne makos wu abrochire Sam Kranchi Ankara why you condemn to grave ya sure ne ya Royal House fit present ne ye nsi hwe ma obi ya ja ogiji collection na no wadi me ana maka mo kan me offering me to be one fanya hwe eti ye ka actually a make a difference sorry anya impact on society ni mu a Pentecost ka ho eti mu odu mama ma NDC former fam ni mu meye form ye papa nyameche ye wo ha na wotam volunteer boot e de ko galamsey site se wo ko bompa ya ma galamsey na obi wa no wo say is the problem is leadership and NDC for so mu yeah reverend nyameche ye nanado NPP ni bia ni wo ba bonte bedi watam because you say democracy ni e de chichiro man no obi a wo view wo ye sofuo wo ye odifuo wo ye konfuo wo ye malam wo ye die ben yo wo so wo view NPP ni bia mantema amedi watam ila via di ba wo kan bi yankasa ye papa and mahama ye de netina akonya no so ko hwini be mana ye netina ko hye sa adokodo fitare ne ho fini ho zangra to pono ye be ye wo interview ewie ye everyone now see I uka 11 no ye ntie ye papa nyameche wo ho hwade ndisi for ye papa onyina wo mu twi papa onyina wa aboa so ma me se papa onyina edu bebi na nkoton wankwanura nkobi antobi num because uton kwendro na uni dignity a uton kwendro na uni reputation a wo bi no beto ndisi for di papa yatemo ama Pentecost went me and you should let tabakumpo anka say ye condemn attacks on your papa onyina Pentecost actually for that me am omu ho ambomu enka wo de branch pastor mpo and you should let her communicate e bi ansi ye papa nyameche wa anya bi because enye wo no mu go papa hu fi poto ne papa me kai me cathedral na me donate every month bi am $100 every month dem charge yes
that's just how omo ye no cathedral ho no to no Ghana sika bi
papa na wo me follow mo papa bi sisi am post papa no na ndisi fo aso papa yi mu wo mo di na tam fumfram ene papa nyameche ndisi fo na nyomo guru no they don't care
they don't
care wo say oma fufuru ade aba wo so wo ma fufuru ade aba wo so kakra because they tested the waters and who say you guys will not do shit
yeah
enka ewiase de enka former chairman de enko no de mu pani because ono no mu twasa na ne wo no bibi adwen bi chiri ne so a ne ho no be kwako busa akwankyere bibi na aba no ntimi nya papa wo no watena sa akonye su pen de na abeye so that man should have been protected manye and no ndisi for the yo ene Julius Dabra ye nim ti sa akonkran abegina ho su we no kobo dance na se no
coming up
say me nim say Julius Dabra ni say enti asa ni say she na motium and why ni say aka na
Kukuru ni titi sa de mumu eto atwi no mumu eto atwi
ma ya tanu de boni bia na se ne ehwam ni bia kan Julius Dabra po we so be
your weapon
Felix meri manu ba besi no
he fesi
eto atwi no eto
nyata okay meri manu ba besi Felix
yes madam
ye nya no Pentecost for
aye
edu baby no Pentecost aso fufuo ni bi including Assemblies of God for any yenuanom Pentecostal for papa your bok ochiche nkaka Catholic mu Sam Kranchi Ankara ba papa krampo wo mu nyina ka bom akuye eka kire se eka cho mo so le ma se e man koto ba makremoni enso mo nkire me kremoni a wagina ayimaye ye Pentecost for so penny omo na ebida omo kremoni a wadidi osofo atemuda ebi sida apart from usu be mpo koka mo ntokwa ene omo nkasa na ekokun ye ebi sida enti yes o bibi ene nya woye ni ama wo enye ne awoni ne we mahama wo so Kristo ni enso ne manyina kuta nkremoni
aye
peli si kire mi o kire mi odi kokwa achi mi ma
aye
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onu wasi ni people So we kremoni.
Kremoni.
Enti ne me kuta kremodi.
Everyone.
Wonye kremoni metu ni ma Christophe wodi.
Yeah,
Oye hypocrite. Oye straightforward. Oye trustworthy.
okay.
Oye talk and do.
Yep.
Mahama oya danku da dre and that do bia na nanu nyina kuta kremodi. Enti Mahama be ka kire wo Christo ni so ko Assemblies of God into control ba man oboa. Oboa. Christo no si na twetwe.
Yep.
Christo no si na twetwe and na
They are crying all over again. And the more they cry, the happier I am because I don't feel any pity for them. Me say coming oh yeah. I'm willing to suffer just for people to know say elections have consequences. And they can I was telling people on another platform recently say, and a few hours ago say, baby, I was say I'm looking for a scam generator. Because Ejuma me here no, say like Niwa, I cannot work. And so the whole of this April no, it has not been good for me. And online Ejuma here, blogging here. Because of light it has not been good for me. And see, I have to go and look for generator. Now for me, I meet you be fee. Meeting me as a generator. I just said next year no, rent no, landlord no, increase it. Because I want to say, was car generator. What crime have we committed to get here where we are today? Sometimes when I think about it, I don't get answers. Crime, what did we do wrong? We want Ghanaians. Akufo-Addo want Ghana for Ekachemo say Yeka John Mahama in the legacy. Eye dum so. Akufo-Addo kae. Akufo-Addo kae. But we did not listen. We thought say oh Akufo-Addo na or ye campaign ma ba omienti. But today Akufo-Addo is vindicated. Akufo-Addo is vindicated and na yekasa. And then you say, don't so I sing in ano. Don't so I sing in ano. And him say, and can MPP know can these things will not happen? I tell you. Because MPP will always have a plan. Zian said the crime is voting for NDC Mahama. Well, that's truth. If MPP were to be in power today, these things will not happen. Let's even assume, say, Akosombo Amaka said, Bibiyeshi Wakosombo, and Ukraine. And assume, sir, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had already proposed, say, a solar panel. Advertise for power tapping. Solar energy. And we're supposed to get some 2,000 megawatts from solar energy per the plan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had. And Tianka, you're voting about Bawumia. The first year, we would have started working on those solar energy. Akosombo assistance only gives 1,000 megawatts. And BBC can because we would have gotten 2,000 megawatts air from the solar energy. But enam Agbelima cube, any damn Agbelima cube any day, muchramami. And now Sanya Manintino, we went to vote for Queen for, and then Agbelima no ho, Benkunu ho, but Kania niho. Kania niho, how are you going to implement your 24-hour economy? How on earth can you implement a 24-hour economy? You cannot. And if one person you didn't even plan on any implementing anything for starters, I know that you are being happy to do so. And we have an energy minister at Posa who cannot come and address the media. A president no say obey gendarme no man. On man pinna say obey gendarme no man. Aponchina mama pass a good meat. Yeah. So I think say if it's possible, Christ say any demonstration. Because what make actually say you are changing air transformers. Which are transformers? Now transformer ben is and I do not transformer. Who is a transformer or me area man? 6 p.m. Now where you man? Asanteman Empire TV said that my son in the University of Ghana just called me. There has not been light since 12 p.m. today. But I said, good. As I said last time, I said 2 or 3 nights ago, that doing something for 12 hours. Almost 6 p.m. He came the next day by 8 a.m. is NBC for you. You can send your request, let's talk. Send your request, let's talk. Ghana Gas. Now, and then sometimes, no, I don't understand how people are wired. I said, I can't be a trimuno. Misu minim say, per my health background, I say, Opia wa be. The same brain, the same brain. All the various, the cortex, all the rest. The occipital lobe, the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, Opia will be. But you just cannot understand how some people's heads stink. Betty, thanks for power tapping. I hope you're fine. It's me. Let me pick my first person.